how are you enjoying your first cruise?
I'm loving it. I'm so happy. I'm a cruiser now. Y'all ain't gonna get rid of me. That's it. It's cruising for me, baby. That's what it is.
Yeah. Okay. Is you cruising or not?
Alright, so a Bahama mama on the beach of the Bahamas with my Bahama mama over here. My Bahama mama. Hey guys! We got Leo in the water acting crazy. Is this working? Okay. Girl. Oh god damn! That's a little cold. Oh! It is not a little cold. It is a lot cold. Yo, I'm sinking right into the water. Oh my god. You want some? Bahama mama? I was like looking for y'all. I was about to go on that side. I was like, he's probably on that side. Alright, let me go. Oh.
No, I think he was saying hi. I wish the sun was out a little more.
You just gotta get deep into it. That's what it is. Y'all know I like to swim, so I'm about to. And it's cold.
Very much. Hey.
Woo. Say hi, Mr. This man's filming him. Let's film him. Alright.
Hey lovers, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell.
Yo, why are we the only black people in the world? Had to be us. We the only black people in the water. Put a little pepper in there. Hey, what's up? I'm in the water. Just kidding.
I need to see what's in front of me. What was that? The rocks. Let's move. I'm trying to move this way because the rocks are that way. I can feel them on feet, yeah.
Am I hitting it? Girl. Now she did it. Not the fog failed me now. Take me away from the water. Take me away. Don't leave me over there. Take me back. Take me back. You trying to get me to the sea monster under there, girl. It's under there.
Okay, I can't tell you what me and Mr. Leo is doing from the House of X. We having a good time. Speaking of a good time, look at this red cover up and this red bikini combo. It's a good time. I don't know if you noticed, but I wore a lot of red on this cruise. It's not necessarily something I didn't plan because I did pack, but it's also just like something that happened. I'm a vibes person, so what's the vibe? Anyway, so the real tea, I wasn't enjoying the Bahamas too much because I felt like it was too crowded, especially when I was by myself. I didn't feel completely comfortable. Once I found my friends or a beach, I'll be happy. And finding both, happiest. That's the best outcome I could ask for. Beach was so crowded, but I always bring my own towel and comfort setup because I'm not paying nobody $10 for no stiff chair that everybody booty been in. You know, it's just not for me. So, of course, I brought my big straw hat so I could be out here looking like, you know, the Wizard of Oz or somebody. And I had to take a moment to take my pics. Check out my Instagram so you can see them, honey. I will post them there, obviously. Every moment is a fashionable moment. Was it giving scarecrow? Maybe. Depends who you ask. Was it giving, I'm having a great time on my vacay? Yes. And guess what? It'd be like 900 degrees in some cases. So you need to have a sun hat. Lucky for me, a fun fact, I found out that this March for us, while it was a spring, it was the winter in the Bahamas. So that's why their weather was very windy and their water was ice cold. Ice bucket challenge. Cold. Another cool thing, I met this amazing queen. I knew she was amazing because we almost had on the same outfit, a red cover up. And to make it even more cute, our nails matched. That's wild.
Black girl magic. Black girl magic. Black girl magic. She's so pretty. And we just happened to cross paths right here. That's crazy, right? I love that. Look at them. Getting all that service and getting that content out for y'all. You have to okay. Sand in your hair is a good sign. That means you're doing it right. But yeah, I'm pretty much done here. Head back to the hotel. Maybe get one more nice drink.
Blood. Oh shit. You need to drain all the blood from your body.
Alright, despite concerns about the weather, I'm happy that I came out and enjoyed the Bahamas. The water is salty, it is clear, and it is nice. So don't let nobody stop you from going in that water. Bahamas winter is it's New York's dream, okay? Looking for something to... I feel good. I think people can tell because they're looking at me. Looking at you, you're looking at me, I'm looking at you. Look at the boys in the back. I want to get a nice drink to enjoy. Because the Bahamas drinks are nice and cheap. Cheaper on the beach. That Bahama Mama was nice. Got me feeling good. And I didn't even drink all of it. It was stronger than anything I had at the shit. The palm trees for me. Oh, it's the palm trees for me. I gotta go back to New York. Are you kidding me? Only for a little while, then I'm out of here again. Then I come back to New York for a little while, then I'm out of here again. I don't even know. I think I have to change my life after this because I don't want to. After that third trip, how do I come back to reality? Knowing I ain't going nowhere else. I just got to plan a life that I love and live a life that I love. Which is what I do anyway, but I just found some new treasures. I don't want to leave. They back there vlogging. Make sure you follow their vlog and you watch their vlog. Because those are great. And this man just looked at me and licked his lips. Look at that. Oh, you can't see him. With his wife, girlfriend right in front of him. And his little man purse on. What's that? You better. Over here they got all the American stuff. They got Dairy Queen, which we don't even have that in New York. They got McDonald's. And then right up there, so they have Dunkin'. Sure do.
I know, I see.
I ain't eating that shit. I don't care what country is it. Yeah, damn. Check this out. This is a museum here. Told you about the island, the history of the Bahamas. I had one Bahamian friend. He was fine. I forgot his name. It started with a P. He was fine as hell. And I'm like, damn, that's how the Bahamas people look. But I ain't seen not one of those out here. No offense. Not saying they ugly out here, but he was fine. I ain't seen none of his cousins, none of his brothers since I touched here. Maybe I shouldn't get that other drink. I'm telling the truth. Lord knows I'm telling the truth. Look at these guys. They done rented their beach thing. I wouldn't do it. I just don't want to risk getting hurt. I'm sorry. Anytime I was on ATVs, I always had like a
You see that Dunkin' Donuts there?
learning curve. I did. I thought about getting me a coffee, but I only want Starbucks. I had a coffee from the ship. Oh, excuse me, I'm sorry. I thought I was talking to my friend. I had a coffee from the ship today just to try it. It wasn't bad at all. It was alright. It was good. It was alright. It's alright. Tastes like salt water, but you know. A random rose wall. I wanted to try out this walking place. It wasn't open when I came. Oh wait, this is a popular. It smells good. I walked down here earlier. He's a prince now. Thank you. Just get a good view of this. Look at our ships. This is beautiful. Ow. Oh. You know me?
Yeah, that's all. She has it on recording. Yeah, right there. Right there. Don't see it. Okay, you want me to go?
It's a video, remember?
I like I only have a bagel.
Okay, so look. They gonna ask you for that ID and that room key when you coming back from the Bahamas. Okay? Just so you know. And now, that's it. So there's Royal Caribbean, there's MSC. I wonder what ship that is. I wonder if that's my ship. I wouldn't be surprised. Mine is the Mar Virgilia. The next one I'm on is the Mar... What?